I would like to call this video a slice of life video. I'm still like a teensy weensy bit sick, so that's why my voice sounds like that. Not the point. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be a bit different. It's gonna be funky, fresh, nice, all that, and a bag of chips. Who's gonna be our star palette today? The 39A palette. It's amazing. Yeah, I don't use it that much. I just got it because I really liked the way it looked. It's gorgeous. Like, it's just so pretty. That's why I got it. Anyways, that's the feature palette for today. Sister has came. I should not say that considering I don't have the Sister palette. I'm gonna go sticking around this shade range for whatever look I figure out what I'm doing today. I don't know. So I know what you're thinking. Journey, you said you was gonna be doing a super cool, awesome tutorial. I'm not really sure if that's what I said. Journey, you said you was gonna be doing such a super awesome and dope tutorial today that's never been seen before. What's up, sis? Because this isn't looking like it. This isn't looking like it, sis. First off, I'll show you what first of all is. Oh, this is literally the coolest thing I've ever got. You can't even see my face. This is literally the coolest freaking gift to myself. It's so dope. The coolest thing ever freaking created. Like, look at that. And it goes to my voice, which is the coolest freaking thing ever. Hello, change again, one more time. I'm so shocked it took me so long to get this because this is so dope. What? So I knew this part came out, but oh. Once again, the coolest tutorial freaking ever. Okay, this has a suction cup thing on the back, so I'm gonna put it in the mirror behind. Hey, we're gonna turn down the lights so we can like party better. It's just those lights. My head. It's Let's try you again. Now that it's super dark, we can get crazy. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get onto the tutorial while I sing and while this thing changes colors all the time, even though you can't see it. This is so disappointing. But I mean, I guess it's not gonna stop me. So it could be as dim as possible. You can still see what I'm doing and me being super excited. We're gonna start off as usual with primer, and I love seeing those things move while I talk. I think it's because no one ever listens to me when I talk, and that seems to be the only thing that actually listens. So call me crazy, but I need attention. After that, we would normally do eyebrows, but sis is already done. She's in place. She's ready to go. And going over my Bare Minerals, my favorite foundation of all time. I don't know why more people don't talk about this foundation because it's literally so bomb. I sound like every other beauty guru. Fun, right? Anyways, I need new foundations. Anyways, but listen, I literally sound like a crackhead. I need new concealers because the concealers I have now are crap and trash, and I don't like them, but they're the only things that I have that actually matches what I want to go for on my skin, so that's fine. The only good ones that I like is NARS. I'm all out of those. NARS is stupid expensive, so we can't get her all the time. Don't cry, Journey. You're a big girl. Also, my eyes are stained because I did a look today and I was pretty stupid and I tried to like use lash glue as like glitter adhesive, so you know that junk was not gonna move, but I'm not very smart apparently, and all of like the shadow underneath it has like been stained on my eye, so that's fun. I made a discovery. I am smart, I'm telling you. This stuff is like $35 for just this little thing. Don't get me wrong, it's great, I love it. Jackie put me on, it's amazing, I love it, but it is expensive and a sis cannot afford to be, you know, buying that so frequently, you know what I mean? So I guess I realized I was running out, and I just stopped using it. And I thought I ran out of it until I was like going through like all of my concealers I have, and I was like, wait, I still got this one. What am I doing? Has Journey, she's smart, don't sleep on her. I was very much so hoping this video was going to be more exciting because I got a cool new light and I wanted it to be more exciting. Since the light has let me down, I think I'll just try to keep you entertained and here for as long as I can. Please stick with me. I'm struggling. I'm just trying to do what I love out here and entertain the folks. You don't even have to enjoy it. Like, maybe send to somebody who might enjoy it, my videos. Because I mean, I guess they're not for everybody, I guess. I was just trying to be creative with this video that I made today. It backfired. So, I mean, if you guys would just be kind enough to let it play in the background. You don't even have to watch it. Just when I see that somebody has at least clicked on the video, I feel so loved. Flat brush, which this one's Morphe M432. Cannot believe those numbers rolled out of my mouth so smoothly. Like, that was the smoothest. Smooth? See, I can't talk. Like, what? I'm out here saying 3-digit numbers that easily? Who is she? I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face makeup because the rest of the I can't talk anymore. The rest of it's boring. Time-lapse time, I guess. Say it with me, y'all. She is Sister Snatch, okay? Hey, these lights is low-key high-key tripping me out because I keep thinking that there's something moving over there, right? Like, I got like 2 bags of things over there that's dark. I have a dog too, but I can't find it. So every time something moves over there, I be like, you know, like, what is that? So I can't brought my dog nowhere. He's not in here. You know what I call that? Sister spooked. The nerve. So, not to my eye look, cause I'm getting bored. I want to do like green and like blue. I'm gonna use this color. It's kind of ugly, but kind of cute. I don't know. Let's see how it works. Excuse me. She's okay, but she's not like all that, you know? Oh my god, you cannot Sister see. This is kind of cute. I have never done a look. Once. We won't speak of it. We're gonna take this color because she's fun and funky and fresh, I guess. This whole just go for it kind of thing is scary. Like, what? Oh, you can't even see what's happening. This is fun. I'm messing up, but you can't tell. Anyways, I don't know why I always do that. God, that's annoying. Somebody gotta stop her. Because 2019 is full of funky, fresh ideas, and my mind is not gonna hold me back for no longer. It's not gonna stop me. No, okay, I swear these 2 colors are literally the same color. I don't see a difference at all. Oh, I take that back. These 3 colors are literally the same color. There are so many browns in this. Like, why? We're gonna do 3 shimmers on the eyes. Crazy, right? So first we're gonna start off with blue. We're gonna do this one first because I'm scared. Now I'm going to use this one because that one's pretty, and why not? Because that's why I like this tutorial. It's full of why not. Ain't nothing stopping mine. Okay, so far so bad. It's not looking cute. From what I can see, these freaking shadows are blending horrendously. So bad. None of them are foiling like how I want them to. I think it's all blending into one from what I can see, but I don't No. So now we're gonna take this one because this one's cute and she's the one that gave me the idea to even do all of this. We're putting her right here because she is the only one in this house that I respect, okay? Because the rest of them are trash. They've been making me mad so far. She's the only one. So far I hate it, but it's fine because it's in the dark, so you can't see, nor can I. I can't tell you right like after I see it, but right now I'm pretty disappointed. Actually, I don't have to take the back. I did it back. Right now, it's pretty. It's not that bad. So far, lashes are the only good thing of this look, and it's something that I didn't really do. I just shot that straight up my nose. All right, ladies and gents, time for lipstick time, which is literally the hardest part because now you gotta decide what am I gonna put on my face that's either gonna make or break this look. And if you get the lips wrong, people are gonna be like, that looks like trash, and then you're just gonna have to sit there and be like, you're right, because what are you gonna say? Don't let people tell you what to do. Oh my god, I regret this. Oh, literally, I want to take this off immediately. Not because of the look, but because of the feel. It feels absolutely disgusting on my lips. This is the second nastiest thing I've ever felt on my lips. Like, this is so gross. The first thing was, I'm not gonna say it. So now for the big reveal. Obviously, I'm just going to turn on all of the lights and that's it. So, Buzz Lightyear. Ew, oh, ew, literally disgusted. Don't mind my one earring. Look at it. I haven't even had it on for like 5 minutes yet and it's already doing that. That is so nasty. Without the lashes, this entire eye look looks like absolute trash. This looks so trash. Ugh. You see my eyes up close and personal? Also trash. Wow, I did such a bad job. That's it. That's the video. One, I appreciate everybody staying to the very end of this video. It means a lot to me because I don't ever think anybody actually stays to the end. I think it's always my friends and family who watches a video and they watch the first 2-3 minutes and they click off. Gotta get a thumbnail, so okay, bye. I have to be like a YouTuber now and be like, okay, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more videos. I don't have a set date for my more videos, but it's gonna happen sooner or later. I don't know. You'll see it when you see it. Just know 2019 means better beginnings. New beginnings, better beginnings. I don't know. I'm trying to get out there more, so please share this video with people who you think might like it. Wait. Don't click out of it yet, okay? Wait. Please share this video with other people who you think might like it because it means a lot to me, you know? I put a lot of work into these videos, so if you could please just hit that share to Cassandra, I don't know. Share to Cassandra. And that's it. And then Cassandra, on the other side, hit that play button, and then that like button, and that subscribe button. And thanks in advance, Cassandra. I really appreciate it.